Hello friends! Today we have an animal jigsaw puzzle game. Can you help me put them together? We need to find the puzzle pieces and put them in the right positions. Let's get to it!
Now, let's assemble the first animal. We have 3 puzzle pieces. And look everyone, this is the head part. Put it here.
A puzzle piece with fins on the back and under the belly. Put it here. Just right. The last puzzle piece? A fishtail. Hooray! Mission accomplished. Do you know what animal this is? That's right, it's a shark. Sharks have a cartilaginous skeleton that helps them be flexible and agile while swimming. Sharks have many, many teeth, and they grow continuously throughout their lives. Look everyone, how many puzzle pieces do we have here? 5 puzzle pieces. This is the head part. Where should we put it everyone? Not right. This spot also doesn't fit.
Oh, my mistake.
Hooray! And one more piece. This spot. Spot on. This piece. Where is it? The puzzle pieces look so similar. Not right. And here? Exactly. Only a couple of pieces left, everyone. Continue. And this small piece here? That's right. The last piece goes in here. Hooray! There we go! What animal is this, everyone? That's right! It's a sea turtle! Sea turtles are travelers of the ocean. Their 2 front legs are like paddles that help sea turtles swim flexibly, while the 2 back legs act like rudders. Look everyone! What animal do we have here? That's right! It's an octopus! This is the head part. Where is it everyone? Ah, that's right!
And these are its legs. And put them here. Perfectly seamless. Add one more octopus leg piece everyone. And where is it everyone?
This spot? Here it is! A perfect fit! The last puzzle piece. Let's put it into position everyone. Wonderful! An octopus. Octopuses are very smart. They know how to camouflage to hide from enemies. An octopus has up to 3 hearts and 9 brains. Especially, they have blue blood, everyone.
Wow! We have orange puzzle pieces. Let's do it, everyone. The head part should be put here.
Wonderful! A perfect match. The next puzzle piece? Put it here. My mistake. Oops. No. Bingo. This puzzle piece? Here. It's too big for this position. And this spot. Bullseye. The last puzzle piece? Here it is. Wonderful. What animal is this, everyone? That's right. It's a seal. Seals are very friendly. They have a super thick layer of fat that helps keep them warm and store energy. Seals are capable of diving for a long time and are super good at swimming under the cold ocean.
Look everyone, we have puzzle pieces. Let's do it. Does anyone see the headpiece anywhere? Aha! Caught it!
And put it in this spot.
Very good. We have 3 more puzzle pieces everyone. Alright, put this puzzle piece here.
Wrong! This spot. It doesn't fit. Wonderful! Add one more puzzle piece. Here it is. And hooray! Exactly there. This is a tail. Put it in here. Wonderful! Do you know what animal this is? It's a fish, and it's Nemo. Goldfish are fish with good memories. They are very friendly and lovely.
We need to complete this image. Start right now. Are you ready, everyone?
This is the head part. Put it here. And this one? Not right. Ah, here it is.
The last puzzle piece. Do you know what animal this is?
Exactly! It's a walrus. Walruses live in the ocean and eat sea snacks like plankton. They suck them up with their long snouts.
Look, everyone! What animal is this? It's a crab!
This is one of its big legs. Put it here. Oh, my mistake. This side is correct. And these eyes? That's the crab's head part. Put it here.
Well done, everyone! Next, I need another big leg. Aha! Caught it!
Put it here. Wonderful. Next are the small legs. This spot. Wrong. Here is correct. The last puzzle piece? Find its home. The crab. Crabs eat almost everything. Algae, seaweed, fish, and meat. Crabs have 10 legs, and 2 of them are very big to help them hunt prey. Only one more animal left, everyone. This is the head part. Put it here. That's right. Well done. And the next puzzle piece? Next to it. Spot on. The last puzzle piece? Here. Picture perfect. What animal is this, everyone? Bingo! It's our dolphin. Dolphins are the smartest animals in the world. They are friendly, naughty, and live together in pods like a big family. So great, everyone! Let's read the names of the animals out loud, everyone. Shark, sea turtle, octopus, seal, goldfish, walrus, crab, dolphin. Well done, everyone! Goodbye, and see you again in another video.